Every step you take could be a step toward a longer, healthier life. Walking. It's simple, free, and surprisingly powerful.
Hi, everybody. Dr. Jess here, physical therapist, and I've been obsessed with longevity for the past 20 years. And today we're going to dive into what walking can do for longevity. And trust me, it's more than you might think.
Let's start with your heart. Daily walking has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by improving circulation, lowering blood pressure, and keeping your cholesterol in check.
And just 30 minutes a day can have a profound effect on your cardiovascular health. That's less than one episode of a show.
As we age, our joints can stiffen, but walking helps keep them lubricated. It encourages the flow of synovial fluid, which acts like oil for your joints.
And if you have arthritis or stiffness, that pistoning effect that happens when you walk is what's going to get the synovial fluid really coating those surfaces, which is actually going to help to ease that stiffness or achiness that you might be feeling.
Walking doesn't just benefit the body, it boosts your brain. Regular walks reduce anxiety, fight depression, and improve mental clarity.
It's like a moving meditation. Some of my best ideas come when I'm out for a walk.
Looking to manage your weight without extreme workouts, walking burns calories, boosts metabolism, and helps maintain a healthy body fat percentage.
Consistency is key. Even short walks after meals can help regulate blood sugar and ease that weight management.
Studies show that even 7,000 to 8,000 steps a day can significantly reduce mortality risk.
You don't need 20,000 steps a day to see the benefits. Start where you are and then build from there.
Bone density starts declining as early as age 30. By the time you're 50, you could be losing up to 1% of your bone mass every year. But the good news? Daily walking can slow or even reverse that trend.
When we apply the laws of physics, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. What it means is that when we walk, our body weight hits the ground, which means there's a ground reaction force that comes back up. So the more that we continue to do that type of activity, the more that our bones can continue to support that ground reaction force. And that's what keeps them nice and strong. And a study found that postmenopausal women that walked 30 minutes a day had a 40% decreased risk of fracture. So that is why prevention of osteoporosis is really important.
Sleep is the foundation of everything: your mood, energy, metabolism, even immune strength. And research now shows that one of the easiest ways to improve sleep isn't found in a pill, it's found on your feet.
Walking helps to regulate your circadian rhythm, which is your body's internal clock. And how does it do that? Well, if you walk and you get that exposure to sunlight, it's going to help your body release melatonin later in the evening, which can help you sleep. Also, walking helps to decrease your stress hormone, cortisol, one in particular, which also helps you to unwind. And again, when it's time to sleep, you'll be able to better get into that deep restorative sleep. How many steps on average do you walk each day? Leave the number in the comments below. I'd love to know. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and hit subscribe if you want to see more health-focused content like this. Also, why don't you go out for a walk? Your future self will thank you.